In this episode of RC Adventures, I reveal my new build. Hey everybody, Rich from Stickies RC, bringing you a video about my new build. The crawler that started it all for me was the Axial SCX10 II Jeep CRC kit. It was a great kit, and I had a ton of fun upgrading, modifying it, adding scale details to it. Unfortunately, because of my lack of understanding of crawling, I made that truck into a mess. By the time I had finished with it, it wasn't crawling or even trailing very well. So after neglecting it and letting it sit on the shelf for quite some time, months ago I decided I was going to restore my original Jeep back to its former glory. But this time I was going to do some things different. One, I was going to go with a hard body, and two, I'm going to put it on a different platform. So as a new platform, I decided to go with the Vanquish VS410 chassis kit. Since I already had the Vanquish axles, the Incision links, I had figured that it would end up being a very good performer, as that is the base platform. And since the Axial SCX10 II transmission is still a great transmission, I didn't see any need in changing that out. I also wanted to keep at least one thing from my original SCX10 II, so that was the transmission. Other than that, pretty much everything else has been swapped out for new parts. And here you can see how I've run the rear sway bar through the hole in the chassis, similar to that as the Element setup. Gone with some Amazon wheels, some J Concepts landmines in the 4.19 size, and SSD scalar shocks. Amazon 25 kg servo in there, and I am currently using the RadioLink RC4GS V2 radio and receiver setup for this rig. For the body, I wanted to do something different, but I still wanted to have my Jeep body look from the original truck that I had. So I decided to go with the Xtraspeed hard body Jeep to get that extra scale look and appeal that I really wanted for this rig. And now that I've finally got it built, it's time to take it out for some test runs. very much for watching, tuning in and checking out my new build with me. And don't forget to join me and the Operation 11 Charlie RC gang on Monday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Time over on 11 Charlie RC's YouTube channel. We'll see you there.